Hi all! Last time I talked about a shelf which was here at this corner, and it depressed me so much, so I sold it. And then I whitewashed the wall behind. Just this corner. This is a trick of mine against exhaustion. And then I started looking for a new shelf. Originally I wanted dark colored iron medicine cabinet, but it was important for me that the new cabinet should be an old, antique, vintage, or pre-loved at least. And if it's possible, we don't have to fly the half world chasing for it. But when I saw the ad of this cabinet behind me, I made a compromise. Okay, it's not black blue as I imagined, and it isn't a vintage one either, but it's beloved one, and we didn't have to drive half of the way to get it. It's a cool grey and it can be combined with many colors. So the grey, it's not grey. Frankly said, this shelf was already here for a while, but I don't know why, I didn't feel that extra wow I expected. So I wasn't motivated enough to move it forward. Because it's pretty cool to wake up with the feeling of, oh, we have a new shelf, even if it is still right in the middle of a small flat, but to be honest, it took quite a long time for me to reconcile with it. It would have been so cool if I could have easily snapped this shelf to the corner without any effort, with some magic click or something which moves the whole shelf to the corner in no minute. But I'm not a witch. I've learned a couple of digital tricks recently, but they don't solve this situation.
This requires human resources,
as a robot would say, and I would agree with it. If I wear soft cotton gloves, I can avoid leaving greasy marks on the surface of the glass. If I slide a small rug under the shelf, I can move it around the polished floor much easier.
this requires human resources, this requires human resources, this requires human resources.